Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and in this video it's going to be an AnTuTu benchmark comparison between the Huawei Mate 20 Pro against the Xiaomi Mi 8. Both of these phones are on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. Both have 6GB of RAM, and you can see the rest of the specs at the side. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the Mate 20 Pro finished first. Now here are the breakdown of the categories. So the Mate 20 Pro scored higher on the CPU. On the GPU side, the Mi 8 scored higher. Then on the UX, the Mate 20 Pro scored higher. And finally on the memory, the Mate 20 Pro scored higher. So that wraps it up for this video. What did you think of this comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I will be doing more videos. The next comparison will be with the Mate 20 Pro versus the iPhone XS Max. I'm also planning to get the Pixel 3 and the OnePlus 6T to do comparisons. So make sure you have your notification enabled to see that. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.